Hello, my dear students. We want to study about the change in the states of matter. So, the question arises in our mind that can matter change its state? We all know from our observation that water can exist in three states of matter. That three states are as a solid, it is as an ice, liquid state as a water, and gaseous state as a water vapor or steam. We can see ice in the refrigerator or freeze or in the ice candy or in ice cream. We use water and drink it too. We have seen water vapor or steam specially into the kitchen when our mother cook food. We see, sometime when our mother is cooking food, we can see some gas coming out of the vessel. That gas generally coming out of the vessel is nothing but your steam. हिंदी में हम उसको भाप बोलते हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. Then you drink water and you might have seen ice into the refrigerator. What happens if you put ice outside? When you put ice outside, it start melting. So this is how you can understand that the solid water is converted into liquid, and a liquid, when we boil, it converts into the gas which is known as the steam. The same we have observed into the activity also, we have seen previously, and we have measured the temperature also. So now we can easily say yes, matter can change its state. So my dear students, we can conclude that, or if someone asks us, can matter change its states? And the answer is yes. Yes, matter can change its state. To understand the 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 change in the state of matter, let us do some activities. So the first activity we are going to do is, or our aim is, to determine the melting point of ice. To determine the melting point of ice, we have already seen this activity, but I am going to show you through the picture, my dear students. You can see here we have an iron stand. In the iron stand, we have suspended the thermometer. We have glass stirrer that is added to the beaker. In this beaker, we have ice. We also have a tripod stand on which the wire gauze is kept, and then under this we have a burner so that we can heat it. So this is how we can arrange the apparatus and we can watch the activity well. What are the requirements for this activity? For this activity, we need iron stand, we need thermometer, we need glass stirrer, we need beaker, we need ice burner, we need beaker stand, or we can say we should have the tripod stand. Now what is the method? How do we do this activity? Take about 150 gram of ice in a beaker and suspend a laboratory thermometer so that its bulb is in the contact with the ice. Start heating beaker on a low flame. So we'll start heating the beaker on a low flame. Note the temperature when ice start melting. Note the temperature when all ice has converted to water. We'll see the observation and conclusion into the next video, my dear students. Happy learning.